what's up YouTube? It's Scotty with Evel KeStriegel, and we are at Joe's house today. Remember I said in a previous video that we had some bikes we were putting together, so let's check out what we've got here. Another budget build. So Joe found a Trek that was getting parted out on Pink Bike. Here's all the parts from it. And he's wanting to build a hardtail to ride around with his son on, shotgun seat style. Doesn't want to ride on the full suspension. So we're building up this Marin here. Joe, what was the Trek you bought?
It was a Remedy 9.8.
Yeah.
2018.
2018. So we're putting all those parts onto the Marin here. So we got to kind of retrofit and make it work. So I'm just going to time lapse it and get Joe's budget hardtail up and going. You excited, dude?
Yeah, except for if I didn't find out my downhill bike was busted.
Oh yeah, so he bought a downhill bike also. If you can see, there's the DB8 over there. We were gonna build up his downhill bike today too. Check this thing out. Pivot Phoenix 2019 with all Marzocchi. There's the forks. DB8, yeah, look at that, the 58 Bomber right there, sick. Unfortunately, she got damaged in shipping. Got a crack right there, so it was a struggle, wasn't it, Joe?
Yeah.
We're hoping we can get that figured out before our Windrock trip. So.
God, I got old faithful in the Trek over there. Slash.
Yeah, the Slash over there. All right, let's get going on this thing. So let's start with.
I mean, of course, I put them together as just sliding on that bull crap and all that stuff.
This is your bottom bracket?
Yeah. You want a beer, Scotty?
I actually have some. I need to get them out. I brought some.
I was ready to start drinking as soon as I came out and looked at that.
Yeah, I bet you were wanting one.
Dude, I was so, like, I went inside, like, I was texting that guy, taking pictures, and I was, like, literally shaking. I was so fucking mad.
Yeah, I got me some light skies here. Fat boy beers.
Real trusty dealer.
Can't build a bike without brewskis. Rogue Toys.
Whoa. Painting some dinosaurs this morning.
All right.
See, Scotty, that's what you have to look forward to when you have a bunch
Oh, I
of
know.
kids, man.
So, this is the homemade crown race setter here. Just a piece of PVC here. Trying to remember the size exactly. 1.5.
Whatever works.
Cup's gotta go. Freeze that one up. Screw special tools, just whack it with a rubber mallet. It's the best way to do it. It's just the best way to do it.
Super light.
Super nice, nice frame. So, grease this boy up a little bit there. got a cassette on it. That's good. Where's the axle? Oh, it's in it. You have a chain?
I'll probably have to go get a new chain. The chain he sent is fucking disgusting.
Really? Okay, we got the rear brake on and ran. Some nice looking white zip ties. Joe's real proud of those.
Shut up, Scotty.
And we're gonna have to wait till he gets a chain to do the rest, but it's gonna be a nice bike, man. Listen to this thing. Nice hub. Yeah, he's gonna have to get a different bottom bracket set up. The one he's got here is too big for the stock cranks, so it's gonna be a ripper though.
It's a sweet boaty bike, huh?
Boaty bike?
Yeah, boaty bike.
What do you think, Bodie? He's like, I don't want to be on that thing, camera, dude. So it's a roller.
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 Joe's gonna have to do some more work to get it pedaling. So for right now, it's a quote. It's a, as Joe said, Flintstone bike. But he's gonna put the shotgun seat on it and walk around the yard for a little bit here. It's close. It's gonna be a sweet bike. Check it out.
Say it's a boaty bike. I keep wanting to put my foot on the pedals. Giant strider bike.
It's an adult strider bike. Sick. Putting together Joe's broke bike just for fun.
Hit anything. Go for it, big guy. You got it in low gear.
man. He's getting around good for 2, dude. Already driving?
Oh, he's driving. Go around the house.
You're kidding me. He's gonna be a terror, dude.
Yeah, he is. He's gonna be a fucking terrorist for sure.
Oh my god. Are you ready? Oh man, that's awesome.
Great.
Yeah, great.
No way. No! Maybe if we just loosen up and slide it.
Wait a minute, this thing's riding moto style? Are you gonna be used to that?
What? Oh, this has a push to release.
Joe,
What?
that's moto style.
What do you mean?
Your front brake is on your left, on your right hand.
I guess I'll have to get used to it.
Like dirt bike stuff. Is this guy a moto guy?
I don't know. Or maybe I just put this on wrong. That's what I did. I just put it on backwards, Scotty.
Huh?
It's not moto style.
No, it's right.
No, I got this one on backwards. I didn't even pay attention.
Oh,
I got that one on wrong.
that's hilarious. Okay. All
Yeah,
right.
I didn't even look at it. I just,
All right.
I just
I was like, I mean, it's possible. A lot of downhill guys are motocross guys, so like, they'll do that, you know?
I did not even pay attention at the least. No wonder it didn't fit. Oh, fuck me. Look at that.
What's a little bound up?
It's rubbed all the way down to bare wire. Let's take her. Hey, Bodie! What are you doing? Watch, kids. You'll find kids.
What?
He's riding around the yard by himself. I think that's probably her. That's her with Corey.
That's the only people that talk to me are my wife and Corey.
You too, huh?
Oh my god, dude. All right, we're finishing up. Joe's broken Phoenix. Sick. It is sick. It is super sick. All right, next up, Windrock, October 22nd. That's
We're gonna break it the rest of the way.
we're gonna snap it the rest of the way. All right, guys.